See, my ex-girlfriend is getting married, okay? And I want to present her the best gift which I can give to her on her wedding.
Best gift?
Some dirty pictures of her that you already had.
Oh God.
Condoms. Yeah, I like all my exes.
Naughty.
मैं लड़के की तबाही देखने जरूर जाऊंगा.
I'll probably go for the food.
He's been to his ex-girlfriend's wedding.
एक पूरी बॉटल दारू चढ़ा और जा और उसके बाद जो हो होने दे.
Yeah, so that she ends up not marrying the dude.
Hey, what is happening, beautiful people? You're watching India's only street interview YouTube channel that takes your comments to the streets. Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Quick Reaction Team and I'm your host, I'm your friend Pranoy. So कैसे लगे अभी तक के क्वेश्चंस? मस्त है ना, मज़ा आ रहा है ना? चलो ठीक है. और मुझे ये बताओ, क्या अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया या नहीं किया? अगर नहीं किया यार, किस चीज़ की वेट कर रहे हो? जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लो. और जैसे ही आप सब्सक्राइब करोगे उसके साथ एक बेल आइकन होगा, ठीक है? उसको प्रेस कर देना और एनेबल कर देना, ठीक है? फॉर इंस्टेंट नोटिफिकेशंस. सो जैसे ही हमारा न्यू वीडियो लाइव होगा आपको इंस्टेंटली नोटिफिकेशंस आ जाएगा. बिकॉज फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स बिटवीन 4 PM to 5 PM we are going to stay online on YouTube and we are going to reply to each and every single comment of yours. So जल्दी से अच्छे कमेंट्स इस वीडियो के नीचे लिख दो, ठीक है? हम लोग ज़रूर रिप्लाई करेंगे सिर्फ 5 बजे तक, ठीक है? और इसके अलावा हम लोग बहुत ही अमेजिंग कूपन्स और डिस्काउंट ऑफर्स हम लोग इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में हम लोग शेयर करेंगे सिर्फ आप लोगों के लिए, ठीक है? वो भी लिमिटेड टाइम के लिए रहेगा, ठीक है? 1 घंटे के लिए. सो जल्दी से अपने बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर देना, ठीक है? और आज का वीडियो बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग है, बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है. सो ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज यू मस्ट सिट बैक, रिलैक्स एंड यू मस्ट वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. There's this first guy, he's saying that, see, my ex-girlfriend is getting married. Okay. So please suggest me the best gift I can give to her on her wedding.
Best gift that she gave you, just return it to her, man.
Best gift.
I'll gift him a sword to kill himself.
अपनी current girlfriend को लेके चले जाओ और
गर्लफ्रेंड को लेके चले उसको जेलस.
Drink yourself to sleep at night. Why do you want to put yourself through that torture?
I would say some simple jewelry.
दूध की बोतल दे दे, उसके बच्चों काम आएगा.
Beautiful moments, picture collage.
अपनी फोटो दे दे 6x4.
So she can at least remember in his memories.
उनको तो अच्छी चीजें दूंगी.
Sing that song from Delhi Belly, जा चुड़ैल.
Meet the doula and say been there done that, bro.
Johnson's baby वाला सेट होता है ना एक.
Does the girl really deserve?
यार ऑब्वियस है, अब ठीक है, तुम नहीं चाहोगे कि हाँ तुम्हारी वजह से उसकी लाइफ में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आया.
भाई से मेरा अभी भी इतना ख्याल है.
You could still continue your friendship, right?
Actually remind him that you missed on a very nice person, you know. I was the best person.
Because obviously he's losing a girl like me, so he needs to die. I really have no clue right now.
Something she didn't like.
You think like it's a good idea to even attend the marriage? शादी में जाना चाहिए उसको ex-girlfriend के?
हाँ जाओ. Yeah, of course. नहीं, first of all नहीं.
क्यों नहीं जाना चाहिए?
Well, it depends on which ex-boyfriend, right? My boyfriend.
I can't say.
मैं तो जाती full अच्छा था.
I would go there for the food, man. I'm a foodie. I would go there for the food.
If he's going to the wedding, he clearly still has a friendship with her.
Maybe.
ठीक है. So moving to the next question. Say I'm very addicted to porn movies.
ठीक है. शुरू करने वाला हूँ.
आपने तो नहीं पूछा ये सवाल कहीं? Please tell me how can I get rid of this habit?
I think you either get a girlfriend or a boyfriend.
Have sex for real, dude. Get laid.
Get a girlfriend.
Yeah, get a girlfriend then.
No, she'll be screwed, man. She'll get up tired every morning.
Get a girlfriend maybe.
Get a girlfriend.
Yeah.
So how is it going to help?
At least he can divert his mind, you know, from porn to, you know, some hot movies.
Dude, like what? Find some other addiction, dude.
Or honestly, you know, just keep watching porn.
It is going to help because you don't have to watch it anymore maybe.
Start watching cartoon.
Gradually he can move to the comedy movies and action movies.
No, why do you want to stop watching porn?
It's all fine.
It's cool.
Actually, it is a particular phase of time.
Okay.
Between the 21 or 25. Everybody it is addicted to particular.
They indulge in it.
Yeah, it is. Everybody guy is addicted right now.
कोई अगर addicted है भी अगर porn से, is there anything wrong with it?
No.
So it should be all fine.
Yeah.
It's actually there's no problem
That's the
with
thing
it.
to do. You know, just do it as long as you want to.
What would you advise to your best friend? So let's say if he or she comes up to you and tells you,
I would be like, cool, do it. It makes you happy,
but
chill.
Is it a good idea to get rid of this habit?
No, it's okay. Whatever the person feels happy.
As long
it's not
as
an addiction until
as
you
long as
feel you're burdened about it.
Sure, he realized like well in time.
Is he in a relationship or like?
He hasn't mentioned it. So even if he is, then
Yeah, totally. That's totally okay.
It's just human to watch porn. I mean, it's a different satisfaction, of course.
तुम्हारे पास यार बीवी है, तुम्हारी वाइफ है तुम्हारे पास, उसके बाद तुम उसके साथ करो जो करना है तुम्हें, फोन देख के उससे क्या फायदा तुम।
अच्छा, ऐसा हो सकता है कोई अगर रिलेशनशिप में रह के भी लड़के मतलब क्या तब भी पॉर्न क्या देखते हैं, आप लोगों को लगता है क्या? बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
कौन है यार?
Alright, so there's another person, he wants to know that, please ask people that, what do you guys think? How is this idea of having babies before marriage? I want you guys to be very practical, okay? थोड़ा practically सोचना, ठीक है?
Not ideally.
शादी के पहले बेबीज अगर पैदा करना चाहता है,
Babies before marriage. I think you're too big a responsibility. Yourself a kid.
Oh, I think I'm gonna have a baby before marriage. So yeah, really cool.
Alright.
I think that's perfectly fine.
I think so. It's cool.
It's cool.
Yeah.
So even if any couple, decides to have a baby before marriage, it's fine.
It's totally fine. That's the way India should progress.
I don't think so. It's a good idea.
Again, it's not the ideal situation, but I don't mind honestly.
So would you be like comfortable?
Yeah, I think we're living in a very modern world these days, and as far as I think we can comfortably manage our work life and our personal life with a kid, and we can manage that on our own. I don't think it's a problem, and nobody has a right to judge us for what we're doing.
If you're adapting Western culture, you're adapting their dress, and you should adapt their culture as well. Yeah, so it's fine. It's completely fine.
Yeah, it depends on the mom if she wants it and the dad. I mean, they can both decide, but if the mom decides to have it, because the major changes would be to her. So if she wants to, she can. Of course, it's her choice.
And particularly if it comes to you,
If
and
me-
you had to make a call, yeah.
Currently, I would, for myself, I would say no. Like right now, I don't. Maybe later in life when I'm more settled, yes. Right now, my baby is my dog.
पर ये कि अगर आप श्योर हो कि आगे जाके उससे शादी होनी है तो किसी एक ना एक को प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी।
ये बहुत बड़ी कंडीशन है।
Yeah, I mean, if eventually I don't end up getting married and I want motherhood, I would go in for, I would actually.
There's nothing wrong.
No, there's nothing wrong. Surrogacy, maybe adoption, anything. There are 10,000 ways you can get a baby.
According to India कि हाँ यहाँ पे लोग बहुत जज करते हैं इस चीज़ को कि हाँ कि तुम लोग, बट डिपेंड करता है तुम कहाँ पे लिव कर रहे हो।
The right time is after शादी.
हमसे ज़्यादा पेरेंट्स का टेंशन है।
Actually.
Our culture is not allowing us this.
बाहर लिव कर रहे हो तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है।
But इंडिया के बारे में अगर बात
इंडिया के बारे में बात करें तो लोग तुम्हें जज करते हैं इस बात पे।
Since you're into law, so tell us that ऐसा कुछ law है क्या, मतलब is it illegal to have a baby before marriage?
No, it's not illegal. It's not illegal. It's not written anywhere. It says that a guy cannot adopt a girl child. That's the only law. Other than that, there's nothing that restricts anybody from adoption or having a baby before marriage.
तुम किसी लड़की के साथ भी घूम रहे हो, तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स भी तुम्हें उस बार के लिए एक बार के अगर तुम सोचते हैं फिर कि हाँ यार तुम्हारा लड़का ऐसे घूम रहा है।
Honestly, like I'm the kind of person who doesn't give a shit about what my family thinks.
दिल्ली हो गया, बॉम्बे हो गया, बैंगलोर हो गया, मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज है, उनके अकॉर्डिंग उसके बाद अगर तुम कहीं भी जाते हो तो लोग तुम्हें जज करते हैं।
So I wouldn't care, but I know there are a lot of people who do think about what their family thinks. So
particularly when it comes to you're fine
when it comes to me, I don't care what my family thinks.
आप शादी के पहले कर सकते हो? I mean कर तो सकते ही हो, कर तो यार करोगे।
देखो ये बात वहाँ पर फंसती है, जाके हो गया तो अलग बात है। बाय चांस, बाय मिस्टेक,
नहीं
Purposely कोई करता नहीं है।
I'll contrast on that opinion. I feel yes, marriage should be apart before having a baby, because even if you are ready to handle the child and your work and everything, there will be some social pressure. There will be some sense where, if not you might not care, but then your counterpart or maybe the child tomorrow will have questions, and there will be questions when they won't have the answers to those questions. So it's not for yourself alone, but it's probably for their own security in terms of their social system, how the social system works and how they are perceived and how they perceive themselves in that social system.
It's changing, right?
It's flexible, but not that much, is it?
It is.
According to you.
Society is whatever you make of it.
There is something you can say everything is suitable and right time.
I don't think that there's anything wrong with it.
And I think you can't, something
शादी
you
के पहले
can't.
का कोई करता है तो it's all okay.
It's like congratulations.
Alright, so I'll ask you one final question. So tell us that do you guys think that India is losing its cultural background while adopting the Western culture?
No.
Gradually हो रहा है क्या ऐसा?
बिल्कुल वो तो हो रहा है। कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा डिग्रेडेशन आया है।
It's not just India that's adapting itself to other cultures, let's say. I think it's happening all over the world. We live in a globalized world.
I think हो रहा है, but that's not a bad thing. That's not necessarily a bad thing. We're not losing our culture. हम western चीज़ों को adapt करके एक hybrid culture बना रहे हैं।
I believe somewhat we have to make sure our cultural values and our heritage in India is still intact. But at the same time,
following a few Western practices can be okay. Yeah.
Not a big deal.
Yeah.
I definitely think we're losing it.
Well, you're losing.
I agree with her. Because we are somewhere down the line, we are going to completely lose it, and we are going to follow everything which is going on in the West.
Let's say after 100 years down the line, क्या लग रहा है जो इंडियन कल्चर पूरी तरह खत्म ही हो जाएगा और पूरा हम अडैप्ट कर लेंगे?
नहीं, I don't think so. Indian culture again is a very arbitrary thing. A vast thing to actually. I don't think that even if we do westernize or adapt Western cultures, we would forget our roots.
खत्म नहीं होगा, वो रहेगा.
I think you need to be proud of your traditions, your roots, your culture. Only then will you want to flaunt it. Or you know, जैसे Instagram posts बनते हैं, people like they travel around, they show the cultures of the others. So be proud of your own culture, showcase it to the world.
Indians पूरे वर्ल्ड में फैले हुए हैं, ठीक है, तो कहीं खत्म भी हो रहा होगा ना, कहीं से शुरू कर देंगे.
जब हम इंग्लिश में ज़्यादा बात करते हैं तो डज इट मीन दैट हम लोग अपने को ज़्यादा ही हम लोगों ने अपने को वेस्टर्नाइज कर दिया?
I think मेरे हिसाब से इंग्लिश इज जस्ट अ मीडियम कि आप उससे कम्युनिकेट करते हो. बट जैसे मैं तो पूरा टाइम इंग्लिश में बात करता हूँ, मैं आधा टाइम इंग्लिश में बोलता हूँ, आधा टाइम हिंदी में बोलता हूँ. बट इट जस्ट दैट आपका किस चीज़ में कंफर्टेबल फील करते हो आप अपना. द आइडिया इज़ टू वॉट एवर इज़ देयर इन योर माइंड इज़ टू कम्युनिकेट दैट. आपका जो दिमाग में आप सामने वाले बंदे के दिमाग में सेम इमोशन सेम चीज़ कन्वे कर सको. उसी चीज़ इट डजंट मैटर कि आप इंग्लिश यूज़ करो या, और स्पेशली इन इंडिया जहाँ पे इतनी सारी लैंग्वेजेस हैं, तो it doesn't really matter.
So did you guys enjoy the video? Go and press that like button right now. Let's again aim for 10,000 likes, ठीक है? और यहाँ पे क्लिक करो और मुझे बताओ that are you also addicted to porn? हो या नहीं, यहाँ पे ज़रूर क्लिक करके मुझे बताना, ठीक है? और हमारे Instagram पे ज़रूर हमें फॉलो करना because we keep on posting all the behind the scene pictures and videos of our shoots. और हमारे Facebook पेज को भी ज़रूर लाइक करना और हमें Twitter पर फॉलो करना. और अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, ये जो नीचे सर्कल अपीयर कर रहा है ना, प्लीज़ उसको क्लिक करो, क्विक रिएक्शन टीम को सब्सक्राइब करो और हमें सपोर्ट करो. आई एम गोइंग टू सी यू गाइस एवरी ट्यूसडे एंड एवरी फ्राइडे 4 PM with a brand new episode of QRT. Until next time, take care and goodbye.